Morning, guys. So serious for his phone. Hindi na natutulog. Okay, guys, I'm trying my gingerbread coffee. Kasi off ko today, so I have time to brew my gingerbread ground coffee. So this is the first time I'm gonna try that today. Tapos puntahan natin si Sai sa labas, pati si Pete. Check natin sila. Ayan sila.
Can you come out?
Yung hibiscus ko nag-yellow.
Can you come out?
No, it's so cold.
No, it isn't. You're wearing a robe.
Guys, dito naman guys, para ikat itong haba na po sa likod 63, maybe 20-25 feet. Sabi ko ang big house. Sabi ko na big house. And then trim this one on the side of the house. And just cut the side. That's it. Big naman guys. That is 60 feet. Okay guys, they're just done trimming the 60-foot high tree in the back. Now it's a little shorter, you know, they cut that area over there. It took them 3 hours to work, you know, and trim the side of the house too. This tree. Just trim that one, which is now it's far to the house, which is more safe, you know. That's it for today. And then they clean the yard. That's it.
Hello, guys. Okay, mag-haul na. I'm gonna haul again for our grocery, monthly grocery. Actually, this is not just month. This is months. Okay? Okay, yan. Nakahanap ako ng patungan ng aking camera. So, I'm gonna start with this, guys. Fisherman's Wharf stuffed clams. So, this is the first time I'm gonna try. We're gonna try this. 2 of these. 2. And then boneless chunk roast beef. 1 of these. And then 2 of these T-bone steak for tonight's dinner. Dalawa. 2. 2, oh. Oh, diba? 2. Then Kraft Singles cheese. White American cheese. Kasi Pete said baka daw nananawa na si Cyrus sa American cheese. Cyrus looks so tired with the cheddar cheese. So why not buy a different cheese? So I bought a different cheese. And then rolls. 2. Because it's buy one get one free. So 2. And then hot dog rolls. Nature's Own. It's a brioche style. It's a really good kind of bread, brioche. If you love brioche, brioche is really good. Dito na naman ako sa click, click, click. Next is cinnamon raisin muffin bread. 2. 2 of that. Then, unahin ko na to kasi baka matunaw. Klondike cones. First time we're gonna try this. So, it's 8-pack, 4 flavor each. So, Klondike. Lagay ko na to sa rep kasi baka mag-melt. Nilagay ko na sa freezer yung Klondike. Next is the Deli Fresh roast beef. What do you call this? Ham. For Cyrus sandwich. Dalawa niyan, ha? Dalawa. Next is the Hillshire Farm. Black Forest ham as well. Nahihilig kasi kami sa roasted beef. So, isa nun, tapos dalawa nito. Kasi in Costco, they don't have that, Black Forest ham. They don't have that. And then, if we buy that much 3-pack, hindi na nauubos. So, I need to buy just one each para we can finish it or we don't get tired looking at it. And holiday has passed. 2 weeks silang walang class. So, yung binili namin, the one that we bought, yung ham in Costco, 3-pack. Never eaten kasi nga, it's 2 weeks no class. So, they don't eat this on a regular basis, guys. Only for school. Kasi they bring it in school. Next is this. Kasi si Pete, we need something now will smell our house good. So, okay, pick that. It's just $1. So, ayan, ito. We'll try this new scent. Scent swirls, vanilla apricot, and almond blossoms. And this is my favorite kasi. Cinnamon, apple and cinnamon. This is, the more stronger, the better kasi it penetrates in the house. And then, my, a glass cooktop cleaner. Kasi naman, as you can see in my mga vlogs, my stove is really a mess. So, I really need something to clean. Definitely for, glass. Nagalitan ko si Pete kasi ang ingay niya. So, sabi ko, can you get out? Okay. Next, let's continue. So, next is this. As if you've been watching my grocery haul, guys, you know that this is the family's favorite. This is the chicken breast patty. That's my favorite brand. Fast Fixin'. That's my favorite brand. So, 4 of this chicken patty. 4. And then 2 of the Dino Bites. As you can see, as you know then, this is my favorite. This is our favorite. Actually, so 2 of that. And then tomato, 4 only kasi it's perishable. Pag perishable, I only buy quite a little. Mapagod talaga ako. Every time I click kasi I can see 1 minute to. That's why if I look on this side, you know that I'm looking on the screen. If I look on this, it means I'm looking on the lens, okay? And then this, squash. So, favorite, soup or for some vegetables. Filipino eats a lot of vegetable stuff there. And then whole carrots, 1 bag. And then green beans. And then we will try this. This is lobster. On my previous haul, guys, we tried the crawfish, right? It's good, but the problem was the inside. Konti lang siya, a little bit inside, and it's a waste kasi it's like, but it's really good, but it's not worth the money to buy that crawfish that I showed you on my last haul, Winn-Dixie haul. I'll put it here, huh? Ay, dito pala. Okay. I bought 2 of these. 2. So it's just only $10. Not bad for that. $10. 2. 10. So $20 for that. So we will try that one, okay? Hulog yung camera ko, guys. Wala kasi akong steady thing. And then we also gonna try this snow legs crab seafood. Crab with crab meat. You can wrap this with bacon. This is good. We will try this as well. Let's try new stuff so we will not get tired. But the favorite is this. So mussels. So as you know, this is Zach's favorite. actually. Favorite. 3 of these. 3. Next is my garlic crabs. We will also try this garlic crabs. 2 of these. And then, mating na yung dalaga. And then, cooked shrimp. 2 of these as well. So 2. Then, raw fish. Dalawa din. Okay, 2. Okay, we'll go to the other side, guys, because I don't want to keep bringing stuff here. So I'll just flip the camera. Okay, we'll go here. So we will do this pecan turtle delight and then mini chocolate chip, 1 of each, and then mushrooms, pieces and stems, and whole, 1 whole. Ay, ito pala, 1 whole. And then planters, cashew nuts, 3, kasi sale. Ang sale, bili tayo ng marami. And then high C, Cyrus kasi said that if I'm gonna buy juices, he rather have the high C than others. So 2 tropical and 2 orange juice. Nagbe-burp ako while I'm doing this vlog. Next is Dunkin' French Vanilla ground coffee. This, I'm gonna try this one. Hills Bros, probably Hills Brothers, cappuccino English toffee. So we'll try that. And then my coffee mate, kasi I'm almost running out of this. Then I'm gonna try this French vanilla coffee creamer as well. 2 of that. That's a store brand. Next is Perrier, whatever how you pronounce that, lime. 1 of that, and then 1 of this lemon sparkling water as well. That's the store brand. And then we'll go here. Okay, 2 La Croix lemon sparkling water, and then ito na naman si Pete. Wingling Flight. He said he wants to try this kind of beer, so okay, go. Okay, we'll go here. Sparkling ice. 5 of these lemon lime. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 5 of these as well. Kiwi strawberry. 5, and then 1 of this ginger lime. If it's good, I'm gonna try that. Next is pink grapefruit. 1 of that. Pag isa lang, guys, it means it's only mine. Then 5 of this peach nectarine. And then 3 of this classic lemonade. So tag-isa lang yung mga chikiting. Next is garbanzos, chickpeas. 2 of these. And then my favorite marinara. So my favorite tomato sauce, Barilla. 1 of the garlic simmered onion, then 1 of these garlic, and then 1 of these savory oregano and basil. Okay, guys, sa family there's a partition. Pete don't want the red sauce kasi it irritates his stomach. This one is Pete's favorite, white sauce. So matagal-tagal na rin kaming, it's been a long time that we're not cooking white sauce pasta now. We're gonna make some, but not now, okay? 1 Alfredo and 2 Alfredo and 2 4-cheese Alfredo. And then kale for soup, because I don't want to eat kale itself. That's for soup. So that's all. This is from Costco. Muffin, 1 coffee muffin, coffee cake muffin, and 1 vanilla chocolate chunk. I really love their muffin because it's really soft. That's all, guys. That's all for our monthly groceries. Months yan, guys. Baka maybe you think na it's just for a month. No, it's months. Actually, as you can see, I never do some haul for how many months already? 2 months, 3 na ba? Because I don't do big grocery every month. Whenever we need some produce, then we buy in Costco kasi it's malalaking mga pack. So Pete buy always in Costco. May perishable produce thing. If we need something like this, little by little, then we buy. Kasi school days again, so I did a lot of grocery again. Explain. Okay, guys, I'm gonna marinate the beef. The one that I hold earlier, I'm gonna show you. Okay. This. I'm gonna marinate that because Pete will grill that one, and then we're gonna pair that with ravioli and broccoli and cheese. So watch out for our dinner tonight. Ito na naman tayo looking for the spot to put my camera. So I'm gonna marinate it with Lee and Perrier's Worcestershire sauce. This is really a good sauce, guys. So it's really flavorful. Then I'm gonna put some pepper. Ko ba parang mababagsak yung camera ko eh. So I'm gonna put some black pepper, parsley, probably that's it, I guess. I'm gonna put that one. So pepper, black pepper, Lee and Perrier's sauce, and parsley flakes. That's it. I don't want to put a lot of stuff for my barbecue steak kasi too much it's not gonna taste good. That's what I learned. Yung camera ko nahulog na naman. So I'll show you later, guys, tonight what our dinner will be. Okay? See you later.
Gusto daw niya matuto magsugba, guys. So, tingnan mo yan, guys. Sugba pa, oh.
Have to open it.
Look at this kid. See? Eating with beef.
Actually, I don't. My hair is so terrible. Spoon and fork.
He's eating beef with broccoli. Steak with T-bone.
T-bone steak, T-bone steak.
T-bone steak with broccoli and yung kinakain sa Nautilus. Ravioli. See? And then this guy too. See? The rapper guy.
Can I have some?
See? Gusto niya magpa-serve din itong isa. Sabi niya, sakit daw yung tiyan niya. Eh, hindi pa nabigyan. Inuna mo na yung boss doon, no? Yung
I'd
makaupo
rather
doon.
have my stomach hurting and eat steak.
Okay, guys. Driving again. And then take it slow. Slow down. Brake. There you go. We're over here, guys, in the highway, going outside to the highway from the house. It's January 4, 2022. See, this lady is driving. We'll see what she can do. Sa left tayo na side, sa left side tayo. Just take it slowly, a little bit. Signal ka sa right, sa right ka na side. Right side, yung may daanan doon na maliit. Doon. Slow down. There you go. Stop ka dyan. Alam mo nang gagawin mo. Slow down. Yield. Slow down lang. Huwag naman ganun na gas lang.
Adjust my
Kaya nga. Hindi mo pwedeng adjust my foot na sasabihin mo, I'm trying to adjust my foot. Kasi kung nakasunod sa'yo police o di ba? Ganun lang. Concentrate ka siya.
Of course,
Stay, take it slowly. And then we're gonna turn right on the McDonald's, okay? Turn right on the McDonald's.
Over here?
McDonald's, yan ang McDonald's.
This one?
Diyan sa may stoplight. McDonald's is over there in the corner, Sam. Nagka-signal na. Dito na. Pasok. Yan. Take it slowly. There you go. Ano? Yan lang. Kasi go eh.